This 1-minute scalping strategy is very effective and profitable. Additionally, this 1-minute scalping strategy can work on all assets, including forex, gold or xauusd, crypto, and various other assets. We will demonstrate this scalping strategy using 1-minute gold scalping. Hello everyone, welcome to the Scalping Day Trading Strategy channel. Besides being used for 1-minute scalping, you can also use this 1-minute scalping strategy on other time frames like 5-minute scalping and 15-minute scalping. The method used in this 1-minute gold scalping strategy is the reversal trading strategy. And this 1-minute gold scalping strategy is very easy to use, even if you are a beginner trader. Before we continue, don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. Let's get started. To use this 1-minute gold scalping strategy, you can log into TradingView. Then, set the pair to gold or xauusd. Since we will use the 1-minute time frame in this example, now set the chart time frame to 1 minute. After that, go to the Search Indicator tab. In the Search Indicator tab, type Follow Line Indicator. Then, just select the Follow Line Indicator by Dreadblitz. For the Follow Line Indicator settings, leave them at the default settings. This Follow Line Indicator will be used as a trend guide and a guide for placing orders in the market. If the indicator line is blue, it is a sign of a bullish trend. If the indicator line is red, it is a sign of a bearish trend. Placing orders using this Follow Line Indicator is very easy. If the indicator line changes from red to blue, you can place an order at the beginning of the blue line formation. If the indicator line changes from blue to red, you can place an order at the beginning of the red line formation. However, before you can place an order, add one more indicator that will be used to confirm the signal that appears. Go to the Search Indicator tab and then type Sniper Stochastic. Then, select the Sniper Stochastic by Spread Eagle. After that, go to the Sniper Stochastic Indicator Settings tab. In the Input tab, leave the indicator at its default settings. Then go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, uncheck the lines background box. Next, adjust the colors of the Sniper Stochastic Indicator to make it clearly visible. Change the color of the first plot to yellow. Then also change the color of the second plot to white. After that, change the level color to green. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. The Sniper Stochastic works similarly to the usual stochastic indicator, where levels above 80 are considered overbought areas and levels below 20 are considered oversold areas. If the Sniper Stochastic signal lines are in the oversold area, your main focus is to find the best point to place a buy order. If the Sniper Stochastic signal lines are in the overbought area, your main focus is to find the best point to place a sell order. However, before placing an order, make sure that all three Sniper Stochastic signal lines have entered the oversold or overbought areas. If one of the lines has not fully entered the oversold or overbought area, cancel the setup you are planning. For more clarity, let's discuss how to place orders using this 1-minute scalping strategy. How to place a sell order. If the three Sniper Stochastic signal lines enter the overbought area, you must wait until all three signal lines exit the overbought area. Then, if the three Sniper Stochastic signal lines have exited the overbought area, you can wait until the Follow Line Indicator changes from blue to red. As confirmation, ensure that the candlestick formed is a bearish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick closes. Place a stop loss at the last swing high. Use a take profit target with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a buy order. If the 3 sniper stochastic signal lines enter the oversold area, you must wait until all 3 signal lines exit the oversold area. Then, if the 3 sniper stochastic signal lines have exited the oversold area, you can wait until the follow line indicator changes from red to blue. As confirmation, ensure that the candlestick formed is a bullish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick closes. Place a stop loss at the last swing low. Use a take profit target with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Make sure to always maintain your money management and trading psychology, as no strategy guarantees a 100% win rate. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you gained new knowledge today. That concludes this discussion, and see you in the next video.